Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So as you can see here, we are actually holding a VIX 25 index 1 second straight, and this is the chart. Right, so what I'm going to be doing here, I'm just going to be breaking down the reasons why I actually took this trade, and that is actually here is gonna be our entry, okay, sorry, our target. All right, I'm just gonna break it down for you guys, show you exactly why we took this trade and how to set your prospective target. So, and there's gonna be our second target. All right, so that's the VIX chart. So let's break it down a little bit so that you can all understand and know how to actually do it on your own. All right, so I want you guys to pay absolute attention. All right, be very attentive, guys. All right, so right here we have what, a sweep of liquidity. Pardon me, this is not going to be as smooth as I actually would do it on a trading view chart. Okay, this is the MD5. Things don't actually align well. We have the sweep of liquidity, which is the first rule of the strategy. So there must be what, a sweep of liquidity. So take note of that. So since we have the sweep of liquidity, and I'm still just trying to just align that, so just bear with me, okay? So we have a sweep of liquidity. Then next we have our protected high. You understand? It's called a protected high because the market will not break the high no matter what. All right, it's always going to be protected. If the market's invalidated, that means the setup is what, invalid. All right, so then we have here where the black line is, we have the structural liquidity. Why we call that the structural liquidity is an area where the market has to what, sweep. All right, the market has to what, sweep through that area. Okay, the market must sweep that area so that you can actually get your entries. We have our protected high. Okay, we have our protected high. That high should not be taken. All right, so the first rule of the setup is what, there must be what, a sweep of liquidity, and second, there must be what, a protected high, and then there must be what, a break of structure. At first, you see here we have a break of structure. That's our first break of structure. And then secondly, after that, there must be a pullback. All right, and then after that we have another break of structure. Right here we have another break of structure. So the pullback must be what, done to actually what, create the liquidity that will be swept later. So what the market did after breaking the second structure is to come back and sweep that liquidity. All right, the middle black line there, that middle black line is a liquidity pool which has to be swept later. So all those conditions were actually met, and then what happens? All right, what happens? The market actually went to where we took our entries from, as you can see. So I just show you guys on the smaller time frame how to actually get your entries. Make sure you make your analysis on the higher time frame, and then go down to the 5 minutes time frame and then take your entries. All right, go to the 5 minutes time frame and take your entries. So the thing here is when you have actually marked everything, you go to your smaller time frame, mark your supply zones. Like right now, I'm actually marking my supply zone, a likely area where price will actually come and kiss. As soon as price kisses that area, it does what, automatically what, reverses. So let me just draw this, okay? Just give me a moment. I want you guys to be patient, guys. Pay absolute attention to what I'm teaching or what I'm saying to you, okay? Just pay attention. All right, don't doubt anything. Already there's a video in this particular channel, this is my YouTube channel, that teaches everything, that explains everything from scratch to the end. So now you see that 5 minutes supply zone, okay, 5 minutes supply zone, and then you see how the market went to that area and reacted to it, okay, and then see the 15 minutes candle rejection. Let me just show you guys. See the 15 minutes candle rejection. All right, let me just show you. See that candle there, that candle right in the middle there, that's an entry candle. You you can decide to risk your whole account, but I'm not advising you to do that. You can decide to risk your whole account on this particular setup. Yes, it's going to play out. All right, once you see those kind of candles, you just go, just keep going, load it, guys. But first, I will advise you, if you have $100, advise you to fund like a 20. Try to like flip it to 100, 200, 300 with just a single setup, guys. It is possible. It's possible. You just have to first of all believe, guys. You must believe. First, you have to learn the strategy. Second, you have to believe. You have to have the conviction that you can actually do this thing. And then before you see yourself doing it. So right here, I'm just going to be showing you guys a small account. This is another trade. Okay, simultaneously I'm just trading the two accounts, but I like to take one setup per an account. So if you have accounts for management, you can just send it to us. Okay, so I have multiple positions actually running. Okay, so when this trade plays out too at my targets, could be making about 1,000 plus. Okay, 1,000 plus with just a single setup. Okay, and mind you, I'm not risking the whole account. So see my stop loss about $2.79 per position, so I'm not risking too much. So send your account to me, guys. Follow us on the Telegram channel. There's a link here. Also there's my WhatsApp number on the video on the description of this video, so just don't hesitate. So now let me break this trade down for you guys. So why did I actually take this trade? You see, first of all, there's a liquidity sweep. That's the first thing you're looking for. On the buy side too, you're looking for a liquidity sweep. Okay, looking for a liquidity sweep. If you're looking for a buy, you should be looking for the first thing you should be looking for is there a sweep of liquidity. All right, is there a protected high? Yes. Okay, is there a break of structure? You have to align all those things. You have to check. That's your checklist. Okay, your checklist. So you go through the checklist. Okay, we have rule number 1, there must be sweep of liquidity. Secondly, there must be protected high, which that high remains intact no matter what. Okay, the highs remain intact. So lastly, you're also looking at the sweep of liquidity, break of structure. Yeah, break of structure, which is rule number what. So and then there must be a pullback to provide liquidity that will be swept later. Okay, so right now that's our structural liquidity. Okay, after the first break of structure, there must be a pullback. All right, so you see that's structural liquidity. It must be swept, guys. So you see the market swept that structural liquidity and then went to our supply zone, the 5 minutes 15 minutes supply zone. So from there you should be looking to take your sell entries. So we had our entries upon the confirmation. All right, that's the confirmation is after all the rules have aligned. The confirmation is rejection candles. Okay, candles must actually reject for you to take your trades, otherwise you're actually gambling. Okay, if the rules don't align. So we are marking out our POI. Our POI stands for point of what interest. So this is an area, this a point of interest, like this is area where we are actually interested in wanting to take ourselves when all the conditions have been met. So that's how this strategy works. You just have 5 basic rules. Okay, 5 basic rules, and I teach this thing, guys. If I teach you guys, I promise you in the next 1 month you'll be doing the same exact thing. You don't have to take 2 years, 3 years. No. Just 1 month you've been consistent and then practicing. So you see the supply zone. I'm just gonna I'm marking out the supply zone so that I will be, that's the area where I'm gonna be waiting for price to come and reject. Okay, so that's my supply zone which I picked to be interested in. Okay, so I want price to get to that area, then I actually know what I'm gonna be interested in. Like when price gets to that area, I'm looking for some certain things, all right, such as the rejection candles. All right, so I'm just marking it out. So let's see how price actually reacted to that area. You're gonna see it for yourself. You're gonna be amazed, guys. So you see we have those 5 minutes rejection candles. Those are our entry triggers. Those are entry criterions, guys. Those are entry criterions. So you see that. So those are entry. Stop loss just above those rejection candles. Okay, stop just above those rejection candles. And then you can sit down, grab your bottle of tea, and while you're drinking your beer or you're drinking malt, the trade is actually playing out. You don't have to stress yourself. You don't have to stress over anything. So this is just that simple, guys. So don't hesitate to follow us, guys. Don't hesitate to follow us. Like, subscribe this video, share it to as many people as possible. See you guys in the next video. See you guys in my next video. All right, so I love making contents like this, pure price action for people, my people to see. So this is absolutely beautiful.